Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download MetaTrader application on your device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your MetaTrader 4 application on your device, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. Before starting the video, let me give you some information about MetaTrader 4 application. MetaTrader 4 MT4 is a widely used electronic trading platform for online forex and CFD trading known for its user-friendly interface, advanced charting, technical analysis tool, and powerful automation features through custom algorithm expert advisors. It is developed by MetaCode software and it allows traders to analyze markets, place trades, and manage accounts, connecting them to brokers who provide the server side software. Its popularity stems from its flexibility, customizability, and ability to support automated trading, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Although it is most commonly associated with forex trading, MetaTrader 4 can be used to trade a range of markets including forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities through CFDs as well. MetaTrader 4 is an excellent choice for beginner traders, providing all the essential tools to optimize trade and maximize potential for success. Using a demo account is an ideal way for beginners to become more familiar with the platform, learn about forex trading, and understand different financial markets. Now, to download MetaTrader 4 application, once you open your Play Store, on the search box at the top, type in MetaTrader 4 and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. On the next page, click on Insta button just below the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you'll be able to download your MetaTrader 4 application on your Android device quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be uploading more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.